Oh, good day, everyone, and welcome to Physics and Mathematics Lovers. Today, we have a topic before us here on physics, and the topic says velocity. Yes, you must have come across this word as you read your physics, but for the beginners, we need to have a background knowledge of what velocity is all about. Now, when we talk about velocity, one thing that will first of all come into your mind is that velocity is a vector quantity. Yes, that's number one. So how do we get this velocity? How do we derive it? Velocity is defined as the rate of change of displacement. Just put it equal to the rate of change of displacement with respect to time. That is to say, displacement all over time. That is what it means. Now, somebody asked me, what's the difference between displacement and distance? Since when we talked about speed, speed talks about distance. Yes, displacement talks about a specific distance in a particular direction. For example, when you look at your cardinal points, let's look at your 4 cardinal points. When an airplane decide to move or fly from the north, this is your north, this is your south, this is your what? West, this is your east. Now it can decide to move from the north, and when it gets to this place, it will change direction and fly towards what? The northeast. So it will move at an angle, and this angle is denoted as a north, let's say 45 degree or 60 degree east. So this particular distance that is measured in a specific direction is called displacement. So that's what makes velocity different from speed. Speed is just for a particular distance. For example, when you translate just from point A to point B, there is no direction. You just move. This one is distance. So that's what makes it what? A scalar quantity. It only has what? A scale value. But here, it has both magnitude and direction. That is for displacement. So, velocity is a vector quantity. So, what you need to know about that is vector quantity. Yes. Now, the unit of velocity, we all know that displacement talks about distance. Yes. And distance is talking about length. And the unit of length is what? Meter. So, for us to know the SI unit, which is the standard unit, system, the international, is what? Meter per seconds. That is the unit. So it has the same unit as that of what? Speed. But the only difference is that this one is talking about direction, and it is what? A vector quantity. Here, another thing we need to know about the concept of velocity, we have what is called uniform velocity or constant velocity. Uniform or constant velocity. So, what does it mean? It means that the rate of change of displacement with respect to time is always the same. That means constant, no matter how small the interval may be. So, in that case, we have what is called a constant or uniform velocity. What does that mean? For example, a car can start moving, maintaining a particular speed and without increasing. And when you check the time, the rate at which the time changes with the rate at which the velocity will change. Maybe when you decide to increase it, you discover that the rate is always what? The same. So that talks about a uniform or constant velocity. So in our next class, we are going to look at calculations on this topic, how we can be able to get the speed, the distance, the acceleration. Before that, we are going to look at the topic acceleration. So after that, then we look at other examples. Okay. If you find this class very interesting, share this video for the beginners to learn. And do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Physics and Mathematics Lovers. Thank you.